For Cooper's life, this is about all mankind. There is a moment.
It is not. Oh my God.
Cooper, there's no point in using her fuel to chase...
Analyze the Endurance's spin.
Cooper, what are you doing?
Docking.
Endurance rotation is 67, 68 RPM.
Okay, get ready to match our spin with the retro thrusters.
It's not possible.
No, it's necessary.
Endurance is hitting stratosphere.
She's got no heat shield.
Hey, she ready?
Ready. Cooper, this is no time for caution.
Case if I black out, you take a stick. Cars, you ready to engage the docking mechanism?
Endurance is starting to heat.
20 feet out.
I need 3 degrees starboard, Cooper.
10 feet out.
Cooper, we are lined up.
Initiating spin.
Come on, Tars. Come on, Tars.
You're locked.
Up. Easing up. Easy. Easy. Retro thrusters. Main engines on.